No, that was too easy. That was too easy. Because what it's giving me is not what we have. And that was too easy.
What, this?
Yes.
So what does the thing get?
That's what I'm trying to see. We equaled it up.
So what was the thing getting? So what were you getting from your phone?
So it is giving me something that is dealing with your X1, which is 26.
26 over 3?
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
I got 26 over 3. So you did it correct, but instead of doing it like this, you can start it off by doing, so you're just cross multiplying these two to get, so that 3
I knew something was wrong. He was too quiet.
plus, so 16 times 4, so that's 4, 2, so that's 64 plus 64. And then I did 15 times 6, so 3x plus 64 equals 90. And then 90 minus 64, 64, so that's 8. Yeah, that's 26. And then I have 3x equals 26. And then divided by 3, and then divided by 3.
What's crazy? Did you divide by?
You'll get a decimal, so you could just keep it at 26 over 3.
That's what I got when I put in calculator.
Well, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So,
You understand how he did that?
kind of. I mean, he multiplies these. He didn't have like any variable. And then that would either still be 3.
Mm-hmm. What else are you confused on? Basically, the way that he did it without visually putting it, I'm putting it red because y'all already got enough room up there. It's cold up here. So that's how you did it. You got boom, boom. Which is why that was multiplied, etc. When you came from here.
Oh, I know how to do that. I think.
No, you know, because you understood this. You was like, he multiplied this and that. That's all he did right here. So like, you didn't start off with, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah,
You
because he
didn't do
didn't do any of that. I was like,
that. All right, I mean, I'm following along. That's good. You got me a little loud.
Yeah, because if you divided it, you get 8.6666666666667.
Can't leave no room.
so extra.
Can't leave in no room.
Okay.
You can't say I ain't marked it out. I did that.
It's called an equation.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay.
I have a question for you. Why you ain't put that? So she knows right off the back that you're starting off with the distributive properties that you had. You just jump right in.
I'm not too sure. It's just that when I'm learning, I like to learn my own way to make it easier for me.
Well, that's fine. I mean, your work is all correct. It's just if you ever had a teacher, you're like, all right, you got that right, but where'd you get that from? You copied. No, it's fine. But that's all you did was factor in, then you jumped right in. But good job, dude. You had the video text as evidence. And his big brain. I like that star. It's nice.
That sounds about right?
What's your aha? Excuse me. You want to do me a favor? You want to put the camera close to the board so they can feel a little love and seen? Thank
Wait,
you.
Which
You-
one?
Ah, I got this. What? Really, you always laughing. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Am I funny looking to you? Every time you look at me, you laugh. I look so bored with the computer.
I'm just standing up here with the Chromebook.
I know you look at my. All right, Evelina, make way. You can put it down if you want. If you want to. Dang. Yes, sir. I like to take answers of when I'm wrong so I can improve. I'm serious. Every time you're wrong, don't mean you always gotta get mad. Go ahead. It's a chance for improvement. Why am I taking the computer like it's mine? I mean, these your notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I thought this was a girl handwriting for me.
Oh,
I was like, Adriana gave me her notes when she left off.
oh, was it some good handwriting?
It's pretty good. It's the pen that threw me off.
Yeah, I have 48 pins like that. They're all in my backpack right now.
It's a nice color. All right, sir. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's not gonna look like that on that paper.
Oh, this?
Yeah, that's not gonna look like that over here. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Go ahead and write down the formula. Y2 minus
I think I do this wrong.
See, I'm not the only person. I told him I'm not even gonna lie to him. It's not gonna look like that over here.
So. Pretty much you just have to do it.
So my POC is how can you figure out the correct steps of the problem and then solve for the correct answer? So what I know about my problem is that we are trying to find the midpoint, which is UV. So we have to plug in what we get for x to 8x minus 3 to get the correct answer. And what I've tried is asking the teacher, but he's always doing something else with other students.
I was gonna keep that on my schedule.
So he doesn't help you either.
Mr. McGee?
Yes, he doesn't. See, it wasn't just me. He has favorites, right?
Yes.
I told you.
Last year I felt like he was sexist. I didn't lie. He only helped the guys, girls in my class. What questions do you have to help me with my POC? So he set up a different problem somewhat like this. X plus 8x minus 3 equals x plus 7 plus 6x plus 5.
So you're equaling up the whole equation and basically solving it.
And it was like there's divided by 2 and then 2 over 1 and that crosses out. And then we have to multiply this by 2 and all
What?
that. That's what I'm saying. So that'd be like 7x plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which equals 16x minus 9.
What?
That's what I'm saying. Or is it, yeah, 6.
What about
And then I
what
think,
about the plus 5?
Wait,
oh, I added the 7 and 5 together.
okay, so the 16x minus 6 is right. That part is right.
6 to the what?
The 16x, like at the bottom,
Yeah, this one.
minus 6.
yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
And then the 7x plus 2
And then what it would be 7x.
plus 12. No, 11, my bad.
No, plus 12.
Because that, oh yeah,
Yeah,
12 equals 2.
12.
Uh-huh.
And then that 12 plus 6,
And what,
6, which is
where'd you, oh yeah.
18
You can bring down your 7x stuff.
minus 7x. I just like to do it in one full thing because it's easier. So 16
You want to
minus
do your
7.
plus 6?
That's what I did right here.
I know, but on the other side, just so we know it's being marked out to show that what we do on one side, we do to the other. Yeah,
See, I usually don't do that.
I do, because some kids, when I just don't do it, they're like, okay, but I see what you did. What's that? Okay, so 16
And that-
minus 7.
9x So divided by 9,
It's gonna be 2.
divided by 9, so x equals 2, and there's that. So then
When you just plugged it back into those equations?
I'll just plug it into UV because we're looking for the midpoint
Okay.
of the actual trapezoid or whatever this is.
Mm-hmm.
So 8 to the 2 minus 3,
So 8
which
times
is 13.
Yep. There you go.
So UV equals 13.
So I mean, you have a clear understanding of what this is. Did you need some clarification?
Yeah,
Or?
no, like, because we haven't done this problem yet, and I was confused because,
That's a lot.
like,
of
I don't get the 2. Like, for the dividing 2, well, like, why do we even need the 2 if we're just going to add these up together?
But didn't you say that was the midpoint?
Yes, ma'am, but, like, why do we need the 2 if we're not going to use it for this part?
I don't know. But I can understand why you would add the 2 if it's the midpoint. It's the halfway point, which anything with half would be 2. I'm trying to make logical why you would add that. Honestly, I would have just equaled up the equations and stuff, but it would have got us to the wrong answer if we're supposed to be involving 2. So that's a question you could type on Google. But we did the process right. That's the only logic I could think of why we would include 2 because it's the midpoint. It's the half point, basically. At first, when you threw it in, I was like, what is he doing? What's he doing? But now I get it. You're good. For the most part, even if you don't understand it,
I didn't write any of this.
all you hear is Marilyn complaining. That's a lot of writing.
Are you sure?
You did good.
No, I
Good
know
job.
none of it. I was just over here looking at the board.
Marilyn didn't write it. We in the same boat. I was looking at him while he was doing it.
You'll understand that. That was.
So how long have you been working on this unit with? Yeah.
We're probably going to start something new in a few days. Or tomorrow, most likely.
Yeah, they move fast in this class.
Yeah. We'll learn something one day, and then the next day we'll learn something way different.
Gotta keep it going. Sometimes that can be a little too much, but it's all right. You guys will make it.
X is equal to 2, right?
Huh? Yeah, the x equal to.
We had a minute.
At the table.
That's just what the penalty is. It's metallic.
I like it.
I have 8 glitter, 20 neon, and 20 metallic.
I don't know. Other than this, do you have any questions regarding your problem?
Not anymore, because the only question was about the 2.
Just why you have to add the 2? Yeah.
But now I get why we have to have it.
Okay. Big brain. Marilyn, do you have any questions over your problem that we went over today?
Over mine?
Yeah.
No.
Nope.
Nope.
So if I was to give y'all another extra problem, if we had time, would y'all understand how to do it?
Probably.
Probably. I appreciate that honesty.
Well, I'd be able to do it.
All
Since
right.
I know why you have to use the 2 now.
Beep, boop. There you go.
I just looked at my $15 screen protector. Don't know how
Hmm?
much. It was $15.
What's $15?
A screen protector for the watch.
You're in reflection.
I know about one too.
I just took it out.
Let's start.